Okay, so at some point you went to unlock your car and the key fob didn't work and it needs a new battery. Something that you could do is touch the front part of your key fob, hold it on the start button, and it should start your car. All right, to remove the battery, press down on this tab and remove the internal key. You can use a plastic knife. I've seen other people do that, or whatever object you can get into the crack here to pry this apart. I use my fingernail. I find it easier. Go ahead and slide along until you hear a click. It'll open up just a little bit like that. Start on the other side. That popped. Then keep running your fingernail along. And it will pop open. There it goes. Oops. And you have a plastic cover here. It just comes right off. There's a gasket. Make sure the gasket's clean. You can take the battery out and replace it with the new one. I recommend Energizer. This Rayovac that was in there previously only lasted like a month, and maybe that was just that batch of batteries. I have no idea. So tried Energizer, and I found them on Amazon, 5-pack for about $4, which is a lot cheaper than Walgreens. All right, so replace the cover. Make sure it's secure and down on that gasket. Go ahead and replace the back till it clicks in.